Say 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay. Oh my gosh. He's gonna own me, man.
It's right there. Oh, I see this. This is so movie.
Dude, I'm so tired.
Oh.
Oh my god, I can't chat. I forgot. Dude, he's gonna own me.
What if he doesn't? Oh, you almost got Uber. Damn.
I know, I'm so pro.
That lucky shot.
No, it's not.
You got a time Uber, man. You know
Okay.
what time you got Uber?
Yeah.
What time?
I think it was like 30 something.
27. God.
I love.
Alright, I won't stop. I'm not gonna help you anymore. It's up to you now.
I'm gonna own him.
What you lose, man.
If I lose, I'm a disgrace.
Oh my god, 3-1, you're so flawless, man.
I know.
Man. The new tech TIYA. You're so lethal.
Darn it, he's a better sniper than me.
I'm a better sniper than him. But as you know, I hack at sniping.
I know.
Obviously, right?
Yes.
So if he's a better sniper than you, then why do you snipe him? Why don't you go close combat on him?
I don't know. I never thought of that way.
Well, do it. That's why you gotta do it. And you forgot to time Uber.
Oh yeah, whoops.
Oh my god, I just helped you. Oh, he got it. You got it.
No, I didn't.
You got it.
I got 80 on him, but he's running away.
No, he's just camping at the spot. Camping at that spot. I see you, man. Yeah. Now, yo, he shot me. Now, watch, he's gonna be like, I shot him. I didn't even shot him. Oh, never mind. Gosh.
Get away from me. Stop sniping me.
That's what I said. If he's sniping you, go close.
He has the GTFO. Come at me, bro.
No, he's just too straight. But I'm not.
Oh, better sniper.
That's what I told you, God.
Okay,
Wait, hold on. Time out. Are you playing full screen?
Yeah.
Alright, good. Oh, get that.
If I wasn't tired, I would own him. Yes, Uber's up. Yes!
Oh, that was a headshot.
That was a no scope. Yeah.
Watch me tomorrow on
I'm just kidding. What?
Nothing.
I'm just kidding. That was a no scope.
Yeah, after this one, it's gonna clan war.
Okay. Wait, I have to. I'm so tired.
Just one clan war, man.
Dude, it's like 12.
So, I'm not tired.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah.
You're weird.
What are you talking about?
I'm so tired.
I stayed up till like 3 o'clock yesterday in the morning.
What's wrong with you?
That I am awesome.
So
Let's go. One more kill. Damn, how you beating Alex? You thought you were gonna lose.
I know.
You know, Alex gotta work on his close combat.
He sucks at close combat.
You suck at sniping. So don't.
Oh, he missed Uber health.
I'm gonna start next to me. Yo, can you, GG.